My name's Teresa Rowe. I work at the Global Xchange programme. I'm the Youth Action Coordinator here. Global Xchange is a partnership programme run by the British Council and Voluntary Service Overseas. And recently, we've now become part of the new government scheme, the International Citizenship Service. But we're not looking for young people who have any particular skills or qualifications, any experience. We're just looking for young people that are wanting to make a difference, wanting to get involved and kind of share our aims and goals, really want to make an impact in their community. The website, it's our main, that and other volunteers, it's our main driver of young people to kind of to come through to the programme. And unfortunately, the website that we had was really static. We couldn't make any changes to it ourselves. And it looked, from a young person's perspective, I think, kind of quite dull. There weren't really any stories on there from young people. We couldn't change it and update it regularly. We weren't getting very many boys applying, and we weren't getting many young people who maybe didn't already have an interest in international development. We were quite sort of narrow in who was applying to the programme, and we felt maybe that was because the website wasn't as appealing as it could have been. We wanted an awful lot from the website. Obviously, we wanted something that looked really good, outward facing, that we could change, that we could update. We really wanted to be able to make a volunteer kind of imagine themselves, or a potential volunteer imagine themselves in that scenario. So we wanted to have stories, to be able to update it all the time, to be able to put pictures in. So that was a really big thing that we wanted. But also, because we work all over the world and we have offices all over the world, we wanted those people to be able to access our data, to be able to get documents, the most up-to-date things, and also for our volunteers to be able to do that. So we wanted kind of a login area that allowed us to input data, to upload documents, to just really easily access things, and also to have forums for people to talk to each other across the world. And that was really important as well. So we had lots of different kind of things that we wanted. So it was quite a lot for Rubicon to come up with, and luckily they did. But the solution was presented to us as an option, and initially, actually, interestingly, our IT guys kind of came back and said, oh, we're not sure that this can actually do everything. And then we were presented with, I think, what was a new version of Sharepoint, and how all the extra things that could do. And then the IT guys were sort of a lot more satisfied that did allow us to sort of talk to people in other offices, to share documents with them, to do all of the things that we wanted, as well as giving us a really nice looking site externally. So sort of they came round once they saw the new version. So I think one of the key things that we really wanted was an online application form, and then also a way to kind of maintain that data as we kind of went through. So we were able to set up an online application form that automatically sort of fed through into us to let us know that a form had come in, so that we could then access the form. And as the volunteers went through the process, coming through to an assessment day and an application stage, we could then change their status to eventually give them a password once they were a successful candidate, that went through and actually allowed them to log on to a forum that had information that's got language resources, it's got vaccination resources, all sort of stored in the back end of the website. And that all came from them initially going onto an application. And of course, they have no idea that all of this has gone on. They've just seen that they've got steadily more and more access onto the website, which was really important. And it just made it so easy for them and so easy for us. And actually now we're sending lots more volunteers, and we're able to do that much more easily because we've got this extra technology, rather than sort of looking through paper application forms and filing them away. We don't have to do that anymore. So now I mean, we've had the website for coming on nearly a year now, and it's really started to progress with people using it. So I found predominantly when we first started, as always, it was me kind of uploading stuff. And now I keep going online and find other people have uploaded things and added things. We've got language resources on there, which actually, when they were given to me by another staff member, she said, oh, these will take you ages to upload. And they took me sort of like 5 minutes each, and she told me they'd taken her all day to upload onto her website. So I was really pleased with that. It's so easy to upload stuff. So we've got loads of information on there. The volunteers are all actively using it to access their information. But the British Council audited all the websites that they have under their kind of umbrella, if you like. And it came back and they said that ours was, they used a car reference. I think they said it was like a Formula One or something like that, of all the websites that they had, which was really nice to see. That was just after it launched, so I was like, yes, did it right.